Welcome to today's episode, where we delve into one of the most significant developments in the tech industry, Apple's second quarter fiscal 2026 earnings report. This event offers a critical snapshot of the technology sector's current health amid a backdrop of evolving global challenges. It's more than just a financial disclosure, it's a window into the consumer and geopolitical landscape that shapes our world. Apple, as the world's most valuable company by market capitalization, holds a unique position as a bellwether for global trends. Its performance doesn't just influence stock markets or sway investor sentiment. It serves as a barometer for broader economic forecasts and consumer behavior. The latest earnings report is particularly noteworthy as it comes on the heels of a landmark CEO transition earlier this year. This change in leadership has drawn intense scrutiny from investors, analysts, and policymakers worldwide, eager to see how the new vision will unfold in an increasingly complex market environment. Breaking down the numbers, Apple reported robust demand for its core products, such as the latest smartphones, wearables, and computing devices. This strong performance persists despite macroeconomic headwinds, a testament to Apple's resilience and consumer loyalty. However, the earnings call wasn't just about past performance. It provided crucial insights into how Apple is navigating current challenges, notably the new tariff policies enacted by major economies. These policies have significant implications for global supply chains and pricing strategies, affecting not just Apple, but the entire tech industry. One of the most discussed topics during the call was Apple's ambitious strides in artificial intelligence. The company showcased enhanced on-device AI capabilities that integrate seamlessly into everyday user experiences. This is more than just a technological upgrade. It's a strategic move positioning Apple at the forefront of generative technologies, an area where rivals are also heavily investing. The implications of these advancements are profound, potentially democratizing powerful tools for billions of users and fostering breakthroughs in productivity, healthcare, and creative industries. However, this also raises important questions about data privacy and the ethical deployment of AI, concerns that both businesses and governments are grappling with in today's digital age. The earnings report also highlights the geopolitical factors at play. The ongoing US-China trade tensions and similar measures in other regions have forced companies like Apple to rethink their manufacturing footprints. This has accelerated a shift toward diversifying supply chains, with significant moves to countries like India and Vietnam. Such diversification is not merely a reactionary measure, but a strategic adaptation to a world where economic policies and trade relations are increasingly unpredictable. Apple's performance and strategic decisions have broader implications for the tech industry and the global economy. Strong results could bolster confidence in technology stocks, potentially lifting market indices and encouraging more venture capital into AI startups. Conversely, any signs of weakening demand, especially in pivotal markets like China, could amplify fears of a global economic slowdown. This could prompt central banks worldwide to adjust their interest rate policies, further intertwining the fates of technology, trade, and economic policy. In the broader context of this earnings report, we're witnessing a period of unprecedented transition. The recent CEO change underscores Apple's focus on innovation and resilience, building upon its years of dominance in mobile computing and digital services. However, these changes aren't happening in isolation. They reflect broader economic shifts and technological advancements that will shape the future of the industry and, by extension, the global economy. In conclusion, Apple's latest earnings report is more than a financial statement. It provides real-time insights into how consumers are navigating inflation, geopolitical tensions, and shifting trade dynamics. For Apple, it underscores the company's role as a leader in technological innovation and economic resilience. For the rest of us, it highlights the interdependence of technology, trade, and economic policy in an increasingly volatile world. As we continue to watch how these elements evolve, one thing remains clear. The ripple effects of Apple's decisions will be felt far beyond its boardroom, influencing markets, shaping technological futures, and impacting consumers worldwide. Thank you for joining me today in exploring these pivotal developments.